down from 5 different primary schools and asked them all to paint a different painting from me. And we hang that in the entrance hall of the city hall, and they come to see it, and they saw the exhibition, and they loved it to be part of this. And I think if you just can create a buzz for 10 of that 500 children to be able to take the art forward in the future, then you create something special, you know. So now I'm in a position to do all these kind of funky, interesting things, and use my art to create income for organizations with people with special needs. And so I use all the funds from the entrance fees to donate to 2 big institutions here in Stellenbosch, the one looking after disabled people with mental disability, and the other one for old people in distress who don't have a lot of money but getting older and staying in a home, not be a lot of people care about them. So you are able to, with what you have in your hand, to create buzz and interesting things around it. And and sometimes you just hope you can inspire somebody else also to take it forward again and to use what they have in their hand to make life beautiful.
But this just shows you that how art can really have all these functions, you know, that you can
definitely it can bring a community together. It can make people excited, and just to sort of bring out something different inside you, which you can use for the benefit of other people as well, you know.
Exactly, yeah. And the thing is with education, and that's on my strong wish, is that education can give the opportunity for children to do some form of art. And like you say,
yes,
now, you've given that opportunity, because we don't just want to create more artists, but we also want audiences, you know, and somebody.
Yes, of course. And also, so
art.
In the whole process of creating a fantastic exhibition, you make art again alive for the ordinary person, you know, and they can just come in and wander and forget about all their troubles for half hour and just fill their soul and their mind with something beautiful. And I experienced that to see the people in that exhibition, how they just stare there in wonder, and they just sort of get lost in translation by seeing all these wonderful objects and the color and the beauty of simple things. And that was for me absolutely heartwarming.
My friends, welcome. I know you are from all over the world. Thank you very much. It is so wonderful to share this joyous occasion with all of you. Julle is welkom. Kom binne.
That you do your own thing, because I think sometimes we and in art we sort of have this idea that you have to have studied all these years and you have to do this specific thing. And I love artists who just break the rules a little bit, you know.
It's true. I break a lot of rules.
Yeah.
And I also sometimes I ask people, who is the rule makers? You know.
Exactly.
So
yeah.
Sometimes you must just take it a bit, stand a meter away, and think, how can I use old things in a new, fresh way, and how to figure it out that you can, with your ability, take certain elements and create something new of that.